Creating unique and eye-catching Gothic candle holders can add a dramatic flair to your home decor, especially as Halloween approaches. One of the best ways to achieve those intricate, darkly beautiful patterns, like swirling designs, pointed arches, or even skull motifs, is by using our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits. These tools are designed for precision, durability, and versatility, making them an essential addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Let's explore how you can use a tapered carbide burr with your die grinder to bring your Gothic candle holder visions to life. Whether you're working with wood or metal, the process begins with selecting the right blank for your candle holder. Choose a block of wood or a piece of metal that suits the size you want. Secure your material firmly so it won't move as you work. Safety first. Once your material is ready, it's time to sketch out your Gothic design. Popular motifs include swirling vines, pointed arches reminiscent of medieval cathedrals, or more macabre elements like skulls and clawed feet. Use a pencil to lightly trace your design onto the surface. This will serve as your guide as you begin the carving process. Now comes the fun part, shaping your design with our Carbide burr tool bits. Attach the tapered burr to your die grinder. The tapered shape is ideal for Gothic patterns because it allows you to carve both wide, sweeping curves and tight, detailed lines. The sharp, USA-made carbide teeth cut smoothly through both wood and metal, giving you clean lines and crisp edges every time. Start by outlining the main features of your design. For swirling patterns, move the burr in smooth, continuous motions, letting the tool do the work. The tapered tip is perfect for carving deep grooves and dramatic curves, creating that sense of movement so often seen in Gothic art. For pointed arches or delicate tracery, use the fine point of the burr to carefully follow your lines, adjusting your pressure to control the depth and width of each cut. If you're adding skulls or other intricate shapes, use short, precise strokes to define the features. The carbide burr's sharpness allows you to carve small details like eye sockets, teeth, and bone ridges with accuracy. For layered designs, you can use the burr to remove material gradually, building up a three-dimensional effect that makes your candle holder truly stand out. As you work, remember to go slowly and check your progress frequently. Working with metal or hardwood can require patience, but the durability of our carbide burrs means you won't have to worry about the tool dulling or losing its edge. If you want to add extra drama, consider carving out negative spaces, like windows or cutouts, within your design. This not only enhances the Gothic look, but also allows candlelight to shine through, casting eerie shadows that are perfect for Halloween. Once your carving is complete, smooth out any rough edges with a finer burr or sandpaper. For wood, you can finish up with a dark stain or paint to highlight the Gothic details. For metal, a quick polish will make your design gleam in the candlelight. Our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits aren't just tools. They're your key to unleashing creativity and crafting one-of-a-kind pieces that capture the spirit of Gothic architecture and Halloween fun. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and tool demonstrations. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave your Halloween comments and candle holder ideas below. Happy haunting and happy carving.